Hi, I am Daddy Bear.
Hi, I am Mommy Bear.
Hi, I am Baby Bear.
Today is Sunday, hooray, hooray!
Hooray!
Daddy Bear's cooking, it's a breakfast buffet. Flipping the pancakes, sizzling so bright. Breakfast is cooking, it's a morning delight. Flip, flip, flip goes the pancake high. Stir, stir, stir as the eggs dance by. Daddy Bear's breakfast, oh what a sight. A family feast to start the day right. Baby Bear's laughing, so much to see. Mommy Bear's helping, making hot tea. Daddy Bear singing with a happy cheer. Breakfast is cooking, our favorite time's here. Whisk, 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 the batter flows. Toast pops up and the butter glows. Daddy Bear's breakfast, oh what a sight. A family feast to start the day right. The honey jar opens, the berries are sweet. Cereal's crunchy, oh what a treat. Daddy Bear's apron is spotted with flour, but he says breakfast will be ready in an hour. Baby Bear claps and grabs the jam. Mommy Bear giggles, help if you can. Daddy Bear smiles, the table's all set. This breakfast is one you'll never forget. Pour, 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 the milk so white. Stack, 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 the pancakes just right. Daddy Bear's breakfast, oh what a sight. A family feast to start the day right. Together they sit and they laugh out loud. A happy Bear family feeling so proud. Sunday mornings are always the best. When Daddy Bear cooks, it's better than the rest.